Hey everybody, so good to see you this Tuesday morning. Um, those were wonderful questions that you guys sent in yesterday, and I will make sure that those get forwarded to our first grade teachers, and they've agreed to answer your questions. So be looking soon for a post. I think that I can post it on my class story. Hopefully by tomorrow I can get their responses so they can answer your questions about first grade. Again, guys, I love you so much. Wednesday, tomorrow will be our last day that we will be doing the daily online dojo assignments. Please, friends, just continue to work at least 2 to 3 times a week on that first grade packet that we gave you. Do a sheet a day or 2 or 3 a week. Just please make sure that your children are continuing to learn some things that will be really important in first grade when you come in. It will be awesome if they knew how to write their first name and last name, which most of my students knew how to do. So I'm very excited about that. Um, Reading sight words. Please, if you have your sight word folder, please make sure to practice all 92 kindergarten sight words throughout the summer. Parents, make sure that your children are continuing to read 20 minutes, every day. If you can't do it every day, I completely understand that. 3 to 4 times a week, read. That will reinforce the sight words that you are reviewing. Continue to practice counting to 100 by ones, by tens, by fives. These right here are things that will help your child have a good start to first grade. So I don't want your learning to stop just because we're stopping these dojo assignments, but I want you guys to continue to learn, to continue to grow. Okay, I want you to do your best in first grade, and in order to do your best, it's always good just to continue learning, continue to grow. Learning, you will never, ever get finished learning. So Miss Tiffany is an old lady, and I'm still learning and reading too, almost every day. So I want you guys to do the same. Now for our sight word for today is going to be one back from like the second 9 weeks, but it is a tricky word to recognize, and it's also a tricky word to write. So I wanted to go back and review a couple of those words, okay? Our word for today is said. Everybody say it with me. Said. All right, so if we tap out that word, said, we hear how many sounds? Said. 3 sounds, right? I heard 3 sounds too, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and write down 3 blanks right here. Said. Said. Get in the view of the camera. All right. Now at the beginning sound for said is what? That's right. What letter says S? Good. The letter S. So guys, we're going to make a lowercase s. Now guys, this is where said gets a little bit tricky, because if we sound it out with our ears, okay, eh, you would want to probably put a lowercase e right here, but that is incorrect. This is not the right letter to use, okay? This is one of these tricky words. It's actually a vowel team that we're going to use together. And the vowel team that we're going to use is A and I. When A and I go together, they're going to be a vowel team that goes right together and said. Eh. They're actually going to be making the eh sound. Ed. Okay? What says D? Very good, the letter D. So remember to make your donut and your tall glass of milk and bring it back down. Now, guys, since said is not, we cannot sound it out, okay? And we have to know it by heart. It breaks all the rules, okay? So that is one of the words that we have to know by sight, just by looking at it. We have to know it by heart. And we have to also put it in sight word jail, because it breaks all of the rules, okay? It's breaking the law. Okay, so this is the sight word said. Okay. All right. Our sentence that we're going to use today is this. Come here to me, Mom said. Come here to me, Mom said. Come here to me, Mom said. How many words is in that sentence? Very good. 6 words in that sentence. Now, guys, I want you to tell me the parts of making a good sentence. Okay? Very good. Capital letter at the beginning, spaces between your words, and a punctuation mark goes at the end. Now, remember, I want you to choose your punctuation mark. We have a period that tells us about something, an exclamation mark for strong emotions, like when you're really, really, really happy or when you're really mad. You can use an exclamation mark, okay? A period, exclamation mark, or question mark. You use this if your sentence is asking a question. So, guys, these are the 3 punctuation marks that go at the end of a sentence: a period, an exclamation mark, and a question mark, okay? All right, so you guys get to decide on which one goes at the end of your sentence. Come here to me, Mom said, or said Mom. I can't remember what I said at first, but whichever one you want to use, said Mom or Mom said, either one is fine. I love you guys. You guys rock, okay? Continue to stay safe. Wash your hands a lot. Remember to cover up your face when you go out. Just be really safe, guys. I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Until tomorrow. Bye.